Hello students, today we are going to discuss about structure of atoms, particularly different type of model atoms there. So three different scientists are given different type of methodology about the atoms. So first of all, Thomson atom model, and second one Rutherford's atom model, and finally Bohr's atom model, and drawbacks the Rutherford atom models. Students, today we are going to discuss about the fourth chapter is structure of atoms. The atom consists of three important fundamental particles inside the nucleus. You know very well about the fundamental particle is electron, proton and neutrons. Correct? So each and every particles having different charges. Here see there, electron having negative charge particles, the proton having positive charge particles, and there is no charge in neutrons because there is no charge of the neutrons. And then these particles are available in the inside of the nucleus of atom. Clear? On the basis of the atom, three important scientists are giving different type of models of atoms. The first scientist, Thomson atom model, and then Rutherford's model of atom, then finally Bohr's model of atom. Then what is the important drawbacks about the Rutherford model? We will discuss one by one. Yes, students. So structure of atom. Here, the first Thomson model atom. So Thomson model atom explained about the three important postulates, very important postulate regarding positive charge particle and the negative charge particle. Yeah, correct. Now, an atom consists of a sphere like this, okay. The sphere shape is called the atom. The atom consists of a sphere of positive charge with the negative charge, the electrons. Here, see here, this is called a positive, the empty space is called, all the empty spaces are positive charge particle, remaining the negative charge particle is called electrons. Clear? This is the first postulate of Thomson model atom. Clear? The next one, the positive and negative charge in atom are equal. There is no higher value of positive charge, there is no lower value of the negative charge particle, okay. The both positive and negative charges in atom is equal, okay. That is second postulate of Thomson model atom. Clear? Due to which an atom is electrically neutral, okay. The same concept, no. So negative charge particle and the positive charge particles are equal because electrically the atom is called neutral in charge. Correct? So it has no overall positive or negative charge particle. Okay. These are the important postulates of Thomson model atoms. Students, the next model atom is Rutherford model of atoms. According to the Rutherfords, the most of the alpha particles pass straight at the gold foil. See here, my dear children. See here, this is called gold foil, right? And then a few alpha particles are deflected through a small angle. That means, see here, see the first picture, the reflection is very small angle around, so there is no different, there is no big difference in the angle of the reflection of the alpha particles. That is second postulate. And a few of the deflected from the large angle. See here, in the nucleus, the gold foils are reflected the large angles. You can differentiate the angle from first picture to second picture. Clear? The angle is very less when compared with the second picture, right? So a few alpha particles are reflected through a small angle and a few are deflected through the large angles. Correct? A few of alpha particles completely rebound and hitting the gold foil and turn back. See here, the third picture there is a completely turn. When it touches the nucleus, is completely turned back. So different type of angles are reflected by the gold foil of alpha particles. Okay. So the important part is get the reflection only on the gold foil of alpha particles. So large reflection and small angle reflection, and there is no reflection, it is turned back These three concepts are explained by the Rutherford's model atom. Yes, students. The next model atom is Bohr's model of the atom. Here some of the postulates are discussed one by one. Okay. An atom is made up of three particles. Students, you know very well the fundamental particles of atom is electron, proton and neutrons. And also you know very well about the charge of the electron is negative charge. The neutron, there is no charge. Proton having the positive charge. Already you know very well about the charge of the particles. And also you know the fundamental particles of atom is called electron, proton and neutron. Okay. Next one, the protons and the neutrons are located in the small nucleus at the center of the atom. Okay. Can you understand the concept, my dear children? Here, the nucleus is there, center of the atom. The nucleus consists of the proton and the neutron. Clear? Are located in the small nucleus at the center of the atom. Just consider, this is an atom. The center of the place is occupied by the nucleus. Already you know very well different type of cells is there. K shell, L shell, M shell and the N shell. These four different type of cells are covered by the nucleus. Right? Next one, the energy level. The electron rapidly round the nucleus. You know very well all the electrons are rapidly moving through a K shell or electron are moved on the L shell, M shell and the N shell. So each and every cells are used to move the electrons in the circulation, right? The electrons rapidly round the nucleus in the fixed circular path. There is a circular path is there. It's called the energy level. The energy level is also known as 1, 2, 3, named as 1, 2, 3, 4, or the energy level named as K, L, M and N. Okay. Next, the number of electrons which are each energy level can it hold. So each energy level are held by the electron. So number of electrons are varied from one shell to another shell. So K minimum number of electron is 2 electron and N shell 6 electrons, M shell, N shell, the different type of cell having the different type of electrons. So because the number of electron which each energy level can hold, right? The energy level is associated with a fixed amount of energy. You know very well about the energy levels. So energy level 1, 2, 3, 4 also known as shell, K shell, L shell, M shell, N shell. So each and every levels having different type of energy levels because each and energy levels is associated with a fixed amount of energy. There is no any variation. There is no up and down fluctuation of the energy level in the shell. Clear? And then finally children, the atoms remaining in the stable. There is no any positive charge. There is no higher negative charge. So positive charge and negative charge both are equal because the atoms remaining stable and also the atoms having a neutral in charge. Okay. These are some important postulates about the Bohr's model of atom. Hello students. After watching this video, you can easily understand the concept of model of atom. Mainly three important model of atom. It is called the Thomson model atom, Rutherford model atom and finally Bohr's model atom. So these are the very important different type of model atoms. Thank you.